Tardigrades survive nuclear radiation by shutting down their metabolism completely, protecting their cells from extreme radioactive damage that would instantly kill humans. Cockroaches survive nuclear fallout because their simple cell structure, underground lifestyle, and radiation resistance allow them to outlive many larger species. Deinococcus Radiodurans repairs its own DNA after extreme radiation exposure, making it one of the toughest life forms ever discovered. Scorpions are among the few creatures that can survive in nuclear environments. Their slow metabolism and underground sheltering help them endure. They can survive long periods without food or water. Naked mole rats survive deep underground, naturally protected from deadly surface radiation. They spend nearly their entire lives below, avoiding the post-war devastation on the surface. Beneath the ruins of a destroyed city, a giant ant colony thrives. Massive underground networks and rapid reproduction allow them to survive disasters. While larger animals perish, the ants endure and expand. Termites survive extreme disasters by living inside deeply protected underground structures with stable internal environments. Horseshoe crabs survived multiple mass extinctions over hundreds of millions of years because of their ancient and highly resilient biology. Deep beneath the waves, tube worms thrive near volcanic vents, protected from surface nuclear destruction. These extreme environments allow tube worms to survive, sheltered from the devastation above. Simple biological structures and ocean survival adaptations allow jellyfish to survive conditions that destroy more complex animals. Certain fungi absorb radiation and continue growing in environments where most life cannot survive. These giant beetles survive environmental disasters through rapid reproduction, adaptable biology, and complex underground shelter systems. Earthworms survive beneath the destroyed nuclear wasteland. Deep underground, their radiation exposure is far lower than on the deadly surface. Extremophile microbes have evolved to survive extreme heat, radiation, pressure, and acidity that would destroy most known life forms. Alligators survive harsh changes with slow metabolism, armored bodies, and fasting for months. This giant alligator glides through toxic fog, its resilience forged over eons. Deep-sea predators like the dragonfish survive because their hidden world remains protected from surface nuclear destruction. In the abyss, they thrive, untouched by the chaos above. Certain black fungi appear capable of feeding on radiation, allowing them to survive inside deadly contaminated zones. Sea sponges survived multiple extinction events over millions of years because of their extremely simple but resilient biology. Brine shrimp eggs can remain dormant for years inside toxic radioactive salt lakes. They wait until environmental conditions become safe again before they hatch, ensures their survival. Cyanobacteria survive some of Earth's earliest extreme environments and continue surviving conditions that destroy complex life forms.